life to Kimberly Tan. Please welcome Crystal Brenner. All grown up. Diba? Beautiful lady. Crystal Brenner. Post for photos muna, Crystal. Alright, thank you, Crystal. Portraying the role of JC Lopez. Please welcome Jella Alonte. Jella, please, kayo ka muna sa center for photos lang. Thank you, Jella. Giving life to Stacy Chua. Please welcome Adeline Salvador. And just so you know, she's our 5-time MVP the Star Magic Games Women's Volleyball Team. Please, kayo ka muna dyan, Adeline, for photos, please. Thank you, Adeline. Portraying the role of Sean Lucas, our PBB big winner, Brent Manalo. Brent, tayo ka muna sa gitna for photos, please. Alright, next, Brent. He is Troy Mendoza. Dito sa ating movie na ito, Dustin Mayores. Post for photos na muna. Thank you, Dustin. We'll have more photos later. Siya naman si Charles Gonzalez. Please welcome River Joseph. Parang maangas na kaagad River, post ka muna for photos here sa gitna. Thank you, River. Siya naman si Marky Lim. Please welcome Harvey Bautista. Harvey, post for photos muna sa gitna, please. Thanks, Harvey. May mga sumaside comment kasi Porsche dito ng gwapo daw. Diba? Lakas ng pandinig ko, Porsche, ha? Time out muna siya sa BGYO duties niya to play Jaden Lopez. Please welcome Jano Rivera. Jano, pose for photos muna sa gitna, please. Alright, thanks Jello, and playing Candice Gonzalez, please welcome Angie Salvacion. Angie, please, kayo ka muna sa gitna for photos lang, ayan. And can I just have a version of the 4 Bad Boys with Angie, please? Para meron na tayong ma-upload agad yung ating mga invited press. Okay, this side first. This side, look at this side. And then look at the center. Center. And lastly, look at your right. Yeah. Okay, we'll have more opportunities for photos later. Let's have a seat. Bati muna tayo. We begin with Angie. Angie, ko na magbuena manong bumati sa kanilang lahat.
Hello po mga kapamilya. Hello to our press. Thank you so much for being here. We are so happy to see your beautiful faces. And we can't wait to answer some of your questions and get to know you too while you are getting to know us all. Hello.
Ang bait ni Mia. Siya si Mia, di ba? Bad the 4 Bad Boys and Me. Thank you, Angie. Jello, please greet everybody.
Hello mga kapamilya, sana kumain na kayo, sana okay lang kayo ngayon, and sana excited kayo para sa July 31 din. Katulad kami na excited din.
Thank you, Jello. Harvey.
Hello po mga kapamilya, hello po sa mga press, thank you po for coming. And syempre, hello po sa 4 Bad Boys fans who are watching the live stream right now. I hope you guys are excited, I hope you guys are good. Sana nakakain na po kayo. And yeah, thank you for coming.
Thank you, Harvey. Dustin.
Ayun mga kapamilya, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa tayo nyo sa pagpunta ngayon dito. Sa lahat po ng press, thank you po sa nanonood po ng mga kapamilya. Thank you so much po sa pag-support po sa amin dito ngayon.
Thank you, Dustin. River.
Hello mga kapamilya, magandang hapon po. Alam natin na masama yung panahon ngayon, pero thank you for making your time to go here. And let's have a good MediaCon.
Thank you, River. Our big winner, Brent.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat, mga pamilya. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama ngayon sa amin sa napaka-importanting araw para sa aming cast and syempre sa buong buo po ng 4 Bad Boys and Me. Maraming po salamat.
And of course, Anna Lane.
Hello po sa mga press po, maraming salamat po dahil nakarating po kayo ngayon at nagbigay oras po kayo sa amin at sa mga nanonood po namin dyan mga kapamilya, maraming salamat po.
Jella.
Hello po sa lahat ng nanonood and sa mga press po natin. Thank you po sa pagpunta niyo tonight. And yes, enjoy tayo tonight.
Thank you, Jella. Crystal.
Hello po, good evening mga kapamilya. Thank you so much for coming and to everyone watching and I'm so excited for our media company.
And of course, Direk, we want to hear from you, Direk Benedict Mike.
Again, salamat po yung sa mga media, at saka sa kapamilya, at saka sa world po nung ni Miss Tina Lata, yung tawag dito, 4 Bad Boys and Me World. Alam ko na, excited kayo. Last year pa, ang dami nang nanginginig ko. So ito na, thank you.
Okay, before we open the floor for questions, let's begin with that, no? Yung world ng 4 Bad Boys and Me. Miss Tina, kano karami to? Yung mga readers nitong sumusunod sa following ng 4 Bad Boys and Me.
Sa Wattpad po is nasa 300 million readers.
Wow! It's that big. No? What attracted these people sa Wattpad series na to? Itong 4 Bad Boys and Me.
Actually, hindi ko rin po sure. Siguro nakakarinig sila sa life experiences nila dun sa book.
Right. Direk, ikaw, sa POV mo, why do you think this was such a hit? Sige.
Siguro po kasi yung book is during high school and yung mga readers ko is high school po. And nakakatawa kasi ngayon, 12 years na, almost 12 years na siya. So yung mga readers is malalaki na sila.
Young adults na.
May mga jobs na sila. So kapag pumunta ako sa shop, ay, this Blue Maiden, kilala kita, ganun. So nakakatawa.
It brings nostalgia.
Yes.
Diba, no? Naalala nila yung high school days nila. Actually, kahit sino naman sa atin, pag meron tayong pinanood na series na high school related or something, reminds us of, our childhood, teenage days, diba? Direk, ikaw, you wanna answer? Why do you think this was such a hit? Doon pa lang sa Wattpad.
I think maganda yung it's about a woman na may 4 na gwapong lalaki na sa paligid niya. Pangarap ng lahat yan Na parang naging naging trend yan And hanggang ngayon sinusundan yan in terms of what you call love teams, etc. So it's a format that everyone is familiar, it's aspirational, and everybody wants to be it.
No, you are correct. Actually, ang daming mga past materials na ganito. There's a girl and there are 4 boys. Pinattern mo ba doon, Miss Tina? Sinakyan mo yung wave there?
Actually po, inspired din siya sa
Inspired.
Meteor Garden.
Okay.
Parang Pinoy yung culture.
Pinoy version, parang ganyan. Nice, with Pinoy flavor. Anybody who read that Wattpad, sino sa inyo nakapanood? Ange, nakabasa?
Ever since grade 9 kami ng mga classmate ko, may best friend kasi ako si Carjen. Hello Carjen, if you're watching. Talagang nag-aaway kami para lang abangan talaga yung next na chapter kasi matagal po si Miss Tina mag-upload.
Ano nga ba?
Yeah, abang kami every time. Nag-aaway kami.
Wait, anong frequency nung upload? Every week?
Hindi siya every week. Minsan paputol-putol nabubudol si Miss Tina before eh. Minsan magkasunod na araw, tapos minsan parang the whole week hindi siya magpo-post.
Oh.
Tapos the next week ulit ganon.
Bakit naman ganon, Miss Tina?
Kasi may work din po ako.
Oo, tama naman.
Hindi ko rin kayang i-full time.
Oo. Para lang sa kaalaman ng ating mga kasamahan sa press right now, nakakailang books or series na kayo nasulat sa Wattpad?
Meron na po ako like 11 published books po.
Wow!
Tapos, before sa TV5, parang naka-4 na po ako.
Na series.
Na series.
This time with ABS-CBN naman, a movie. The very first, no, ABS-CBN produced. Briefly, let's talk about your roles. Nabanggit ko yung mga pangalan kanina, but tell us something more about your role. Ange, you're portraying Candice.
Yes, I'm portraying Candice, and Candice is a very, at first she's very meek because she always get bullied.
Okay.
But then, yun, the 4 bad boys, dumating siya sa buhay niya, and then she began to discover na her world na, hindi lang pala, okay na ako lang mag-isa. Masaya din pala na nag-open up ako sa ibang tao. Masaya din pala na, I'm getting to learn the world like with the people who are important to me, and I'm getting to learn the world na I am fiercely and I am boldly out there na I'm not scared. Hindi siya scared sa mga discrimination ng iba kasi lagi siyang nabubuli nga kasi pangit siya, bruha lagi yung buhok niya, wala siyang ayos, ganun. So, parang ang saya na kasi it really happens in real life.
I was about to
Talaga.
say,
Yeah.
it's a relatable experience.
Experience,
diba?
yeah, because everybody, may mga tao talaga na nabubuli, and this is a good book din na to read on na, we have to be gentle and we have to be good din to others because we don't know what they're going through behind.
Tama.
So, ayun, it's such a great story and I love Candice so much.
Eh si Jadon, bully ba? Ano ba? Bully ba yung character mo dito, Jello?
Medyo bully siya. Kumbaga si Jadon yung leader ng pack. Kung makikita niyo siya at first, sobrang tough, sobrang masungit, suplado, pero may bubog siya na kailangan niya maintindihan kung bakit mataas yung walls niya sa mga ibang tao. And kumbaga sa ending yan, kailangan niya na panoorin kung ano mangyayari kapag nagmahal na siya.
Oh, so love will change his his life or perspective or mood, di ba? Okay. Eh si Marky, ano ba? Bully din ba si Marky?
Si Marky naman po, well, he's part of the 4 bad boys, pero I personally like to think of Marky, at least in the version na sinulat po ni Direk Bene, as yung parang anchor ng 4 bad boys. I think Marky kasi is more observant, he's more quiet, mas tamed yung kulit niya. But I think in a way, kung kasing kulit lang ni Marky yung tatlong boys, if he's as aggressive as River or as kasing kulit ni Troy or kasing sungit ni Jadon, I think the 4 boys would just be too much. So I like to think of Marky as the anchor. He's also a risk taker. I think he's really motivated by chance and that 50-50 thrill of not really knowing what's gonna happen, and that's in a way parang naging story engine ng movie na to. For reasons na hopefully you will find out if you do watch the movie. A lot of the events of this film start because of Marky's obsession with chance, siguro, or gambling fate, siguro po.
So we keep on reminding everybody that this is a movie, ha? Isang upuan to, panoorin niyo. Hindi ito yung parang you're gonna wait for another episode next week. Hindi ganun. Isang upuan na papanood niyo na agad to. Thanks, Harvey. Charles, anong sabi niya kanina? Masungit si Jadon. Aggressive.
Si Charles naman siguro is the most aggressive out of all the boys. Isa rin siyang bully, pero kay Candice lang. And that's because he is the older brother of Candice. And it's more of tough love towards Candice.
Parang hirap maniwala na bully ka eh. Kasi parang Mr. Green Flag na ang tawag sa iyo eh, di ba?
Makikita niyo sa movie. Pero si Charles Gonzalez, he's not just protective over his sister, pero protective rin siya over his best friends, which is the 4 bad boys nga.
Alright, so aggressive, masungit. Ano si Troy? Makulit. Okay, Dustin. Describe your character.
Ayun po, I'm playing the role of Troy Mendoza. Ayun nga po, nasabi nga po ni Harvey na makulit si Troy. Which is totoo naman. And doon din kinuha ni Direk yung character na Troy kasi doon niya nga nakita na ayun sa akin na sobrang kulit ko. And mapapanood nyo din po doon kung gaano ka-lover boy si Troy.
Oh!
And
So,
so-
sa grupo niya ikaw yung lover boy?
Opo.
Actually, hindi lang po ako. Kayo din.
Hindi na ikaw yung mas open.
Ay po, mas open ako. Then kasi grabe siya pong mag-ano sa girls.
Okay.
Doon siya bully. Ayun talaga.
Flirt!
Opo, flirt. Pero...
Chick boy!
Yan po.
Yan. Okay. Thank you, Dustin. Ikaw, Brent, party ka ba ng bully group?
Siyempre kung may 4 bad boys, may 1 good boy. Yun po yung character ko doon.
So, good boy yung yung character ni Brent na si Sean.
We'll see. You have to find out. Yun yung kailangan na malaman. Kung good boy ba talaga.
So, parang medyo pivotal ang character mo dito.
We'll see.
Well, let's see. Okay, next, si Annalyn, Stacy Chua.
Yeah, I play the role of Stacy Chua. I would say, based on the book, she's the queen bee, a cheerleader.
Are you a mean girl?
Yes.
Okay. Are you a witch here?
No, not really, but she is a mean girl, but she has a heart. I would say that.
Meron bang heart ng mean girls? Meron naman.
Yes.
Sige, si Jella naman. Acting for the very first time?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, supportive.
Yeah, so yung character ko po is si JC Lopez. I am the older sister of Jadon Lopez. Ano na, Jella. Yeah. And what can I say about my role? She is a protective older sister. And medyo magulo ang love life niya. Dahil meron siyang affair. Yeah.
Interesting.
Abangan niyo na lang.
Abangan namin yan.
Yes.
Thank you, Jella. Crystal, as Kimberly Tan.
Yes, so Kimberly Tan, she's a mean girl.
Yun, siya yung mean girl.
Yes, and ex po siya ni Jadon.
Okay.
And you know, when she starts seeing Jadon and Candace get closer, she suddenly wants revenge. So yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, thanks for sharing all your character profiles. Let's open the floor for questions. Justin, we begin with Nika. Sabi of Push. Nika, sorry kung ano yung volunteer ko. Nika from Push. Siya ang unang magtatanong. Si Nika. Go ahead. Do you have a microphone there? Wala? Okay, ako na maglalapit sa'yo.
Hello guys! Congratulations! So my first question is for Jello. This is your first lead role, your first acting project. How do you feel working with this wonderful cast? And what similarities and differences that you have with Jadon and who is the inspiration? And ano yung inspiration mo in portraying Jadon?
Okay, siguro ako yung aside sa pressure na nararamdaman ko na first time ko mag-acting, sobrang grateful din ako na nakasabay ko sila sa first project ko bilang actor. Kasi before this project, before kami mag-tape, yung iba sa amin magkakaibigan na and mas napadibay pa yung friendship namin because of this project. Ayun, along the way, habang nagka-taping and even before the taping, kapag nagpa-prep ako, I'm so happy kasi natutulungan ako ng mga kasama ko, ng mga co-artists. Kumbaga, hindi sila selfish na, ay hindi, ako lang may alam nito. Kumbaga, tinutulungan talaga ako. And yung difference siguro ng Jadon at Jello in real life is similarities muna. Siguro, may pagkataas rin yung walls ko sa mga tao para protektahan ko yung sarili ko from harm. And siguro yung pagiging leader, nagamit ko rin dun sa mga eksena. Tsaka, differences naman, I think, ako, in real life, hindi ako masungit na tao eh. Sobrang welcoming ako sa kahit sino. And yung kay Jadon siguro, parang pinaka-take away ko rin dun habang ginagawa ko yung role is yung tough love. Parang sobrang naiintindihan ko siya.
Thank you po. And this is for Direct Benny po. Hello po sir, congratulations po.
Hello, Nika.
Working po with this cast, kamusta po itong dynamics nila? And some are parang season na, and then some are newbies po. And what are the challenges that you experience doing this adaptation?
Ang first challenge is yung how will they fit dun sa character na nagawa ni Tina. So yun, may mga assignments sila. So, yun niya, obvious, he's the muscle, he's the mind, he's the fun. Tapos yan is the lover boy, parang ganun eh. So parang madali nilang kapitan. Overall, yung cast, masaya tong grupo na to. Yun yan, and yun ang maganda dito sa when we were making the movie, exciting siya eh. Tawag dito, tsaka nafe-feel mo na yung, ay, when we're shooting it, ay, may magic. Tapos yung nakita na namin to nung sa audition pa lang eh, nung pinipila. Kasi when you audition din, let's see nga kung ano itsura pag magkakasama to. Nung tinignan namin, ang exciting nito. Eh, hindi pa namin alam na magiging sikat itong mga to sa PBB, may mga ganong exposure. When we're looking at it, parang, ay, may magic to. May magic tong grupo na to.
Thank you, Nika. Maraming salamat.
Thank you ba?
Thank you.
Direct, the next set of questions will come from Reggie Gunoan. Reggie is here, but sinabi niya ako na magtanong ng questions for you, Direct. Base sa trailer ng For Bad Boys and Me, may hawig ito sa Boys Over Flowers at Meteor Garden. Ano po ang iba mapapanood dito na hindi hawig sa mga nabanggit na series? And kayo po ba ang pumili sa mga bida or dumaan sila sa audition?
Dumaan talaga sa audition. Kaya nga may interview si o may vlog si na 3 beses silang tawag dito, pinabalik. Kasi after Me, we also presented them to management na tingnan nyo, ito sila oh. So, it was a series of auditions, tapos yun, they proved na nakita namin sila eh. Diba? Kaya natuwa kami. Tapos ano yung difference? I think ang difference sila, these actors. Ang similarities, it's both kilig, it's both fresh, nakakatuwa siya. Pero they will be the ones who gonna make it different. Kasi kikita nyo naman, actually naglalakad pa naman, tutuwa kami Tina. Parang we got a good match.
Alright, thank you, Direk. Ang second question ni Reggie is for the cast. Yung cast na hindi pa sumasali sa PBB. Sino ba yun? Raise your hand nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. May plano ba kayong sumali sa next season ng PBB Collab Celebrity Edition? At why? Kung ayaw nyo, why din? Kasi, let me explain. Yung question ni Reggie, kasi may context yun. Sabi niya, kasi base sa resulta ng recent PBB Collab, umingay yung mga pangalan ng mga sumali at dumami ang projects, even in endorsements. So, it was a good exposure, in other words, ang gustong sabihin ni Reggie. So, for the rest na hindi pa nag-PBB, would you be interested to join? Harvey?
I don't want to say no. I don't want to close the door permanently. Pero siguro now, and in the near future po, siguro hindi po muna. Because right now, I'm very much focused on building a career and a diverse set of roles na I'm proud of.
Okay.
And this is my work as an actor. I think I've been doing this for more than 12 years na siguro. And I just, kumbaga parang for me, yes, it's amazing exposure. And it could give me so much more than I have now. Pero ang focus ko lang po sa talagang is getting better at what what I think I'm good at, which is acting. So that's where my head's at. But it's not a never. Maybe in the future, maybe when I'm more, siguro open. Siguro not now. But who knows?
Jello, ikaw, would you be open?
Parang hirap ng tanong na yun, pero ako ngayon, why not? Kasi kung
Bakit mahirap?
kumbaga, i-ready mo talaga sarili mo dyan mentally. Kasi hindi naman yung normal na ginagawa mo everyday na may phone, mga kasama mo sa buhay, ganyan. Pero ako, kung makakabuting way naman to para ipakilala ko yung sarili ko and my group BGYO, why not?
Dalawang big winner kasama nyo. Angie and Brent, di ba?
Why?
So, kung kailangan nyo ng tips, yan lang, kausapin nyo lang yung dalawa. Jella, would you be open? Hingin ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
When I think about it now, kasi parang malabo.
Okay.
Because if, let's say the next season, I can join because I'm currently in med school now. So I don't really have the time na kailangan for that, like
Right.
being isolated or yeah. So right now, no, but in the future, we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know. Maybe yes.
Si Chris, si ano muna, si Annalyn before I go to Crystal.
If given the chance, yes, I wouldn't say no to it because it's such a big opportunity. Maybe for the second batch of the collab, third time's the charm, you know? This is gonna be the third time I'm gonna be auditioning for PBB.
Oh.
So, tingnan natin.
Okay.
But if it's really not meant for me, I'm not gonna push for it because I know there's so much more opportunities outside the house.
Okay. I pray for your happy heart. Crystal.
Siguro for now po, no, not yet. I already tried po for the most recent collab. And I think it was a sign that I wasn't put in. And I think that's okay because right now I'm in first year college. I'm trying to pursue that and I have other projects going on for me. So I'll just focus on those for now.
So, may nagpo-focus kasi sa school, no? Si Jella sa si Crystal. Okay. Lalayo ko na yung mic sa akin sa pinapunchline ko na si Annalyn. Kate Adar.
Si Kate gusto mag-TV.
My question is for Angie. Can you describe yung four bad boys na naka-work mo as workmates?
As workmates, you know what? First of all, ito yung similarities ng lahat. Sorry na, nabubulol. But yung similarities ng the four bad boys, well, I am stepping out on my zone, in my comfort zone, in my bubble. I wasn't afraid to go out because they make me comfortable. Kasi ang bilis nilang katrabaho, ang gaan nilang kasama, and then there's this parang energy na it's just really attractive and it's really warm na it makes me feel like although na I'm working, it makes me feel like, you know, I'm hanging out with my friends, na parang feeling ko talaga estudyante din ako, feeling ko din talaga na parang grabe, mapapagano na lang, kung sa isip ko, mapapagano na lang talaga ako na, wow, these people are so kind and you make me feel so warm and I'm so blessed to have them. Grabe, ang bait ni Lord.
Kanina po closest sa
Closest sa apat, I would say si Jello kasi lagi ko ito ka-eksena eh. Dalugaw. Si Derek Dalugaw.
Thank you. And for Direk, consecutively po kasi naka-work niyo sa mga recent projects niyo are veteran actors, ganyan. So, ano po yung naging advantage or fun part na maka-work ang mga newbies?
Ayun, actually mahilig ako iba-iba eh. And it's really refreshing when you're working with new actors. I have projects na mga bago. Actually, yun nga, challenge sa akin lagi na makadiscover ng bagong mga artista, tapos put them in character. Kasi talaga, sa start ang nagpapasikat sa artista yung character eh. Diba? Maski sa book, diba, nababasa yung character, gano'n. So it's really a challenge and it's fun for me na yung mga artista na to. And may intention talaga kami na yung ABS had an intention for this project. They wanted a new batch of leading men and women. I think we're gonna achieve it eh. Kita niyo naman, di ba? This is the next, di ba? This is the next generation and I'm happy to be part of it.
Thank you po. Thank you, MJ.
Sorry, nakikipag-chikahan ako dito sa likod. Kasama ang team ng YouTube, ABS-CBN YouTube Entertainment. Kate, salamat. Si Chris ng One Music ang magtatanong.
Hi, kay Angie. It's a balance between being a singer and being an actress. Gaano katimbang yung both feel sa'yo and also at the same time, tanong ko na rin, as an actress, ano yung parang goals mo na nasa bucket list mo?
Nasa bucket list ko is to make a lot of mistakes. Because that's where I'll learn. And I am the kind of person na who really loves to learn and who really loves to parang be good at my field. At saka hindi natin malalaman kung saan tayo mag-i-improve kung hindi tayo magkakamali.
Tama.
So yeah.
Kay, ano rin, kay,
Parang ready si Angie sa mga pageant answers tonight.
and kay Jello naman, can we expect more acting gigs from you in the future? And also, based on your experience, and also, yeah, yun lang pala.
Actually, pwede ko na rin idagdag dyan si Jella because this is the first time that Jella's acting. So, we start with Jello first. Jello and Jella, no? Jello, can we expect more acting projects now that you've experienced acting?
Ako po, simula pa lang noong una, isa to sa mga pangarap ko. And if given a chance na magkaroon ulit ako ng project, syempre tatanggapin natin.
Jella, ikaw naman.
Same with Jello, if merong opportunity, then why not? Pero if hindi ka, hindi naman pipilitin. But yeah, open to opportunities.
Love team.
Ako?
Oo. May nag-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid, eh. Oh. Okay.
Thanks, guys.
Next ako sa second question. Wala na. You're good? Okay. Si Jay of Certified Kapamilya. Jay, are you here? Jay, okay Jay. Ikaw na. Nakalimutan mo yung tanong mo. O sige, ako na. Frangie, it is generally believed that girls find bad boys more attractive
I would say
than the
yes.
good boys. Actually, magandang tanong natin yan sa lahat ng girls. Do you believe that you find bad boys more attractive?
I think yes. In my personal experience, I would say yes, because there's something about the bad boys. They don't know they're sexy. They don't know they're handsome. Kasi yung mga good boys. Okay, sorry I find the bad boys
Parang
sexy.
gigil na gigil si Angie.
Wait. Let me explain.
Okay.
Kasi yung mga good boys, they know they're cute. They know they're guwapo. But then, if bad boys kasi di sila namamansin ng iba, pag yung may gusto sila, yung gusto lang nila yung
So you
pinapansin.
kinda like the chase.
Yeah.
Crystal, do you find bad boys attractive?
I mean, yes po, as long as he has a good heart. Kasi nasa loob yun eh. But you know, if his aura is very bad boy.
Yung parang bad boy sa iba, pero sa'yo, good boy.
Yes!
Ay!
Perfect.
Ganun pala. Annalyn, ikaw.
Parang
di, no? Pinag-slide ko wala.
Not really.
Not
I
really.
find medyo soft, feminine boys
Oh.
attractive more. Gusto ko yung mga cute, medyo bata-bata yung face. Mali.
Pinipicture namin yung itsura niya.
No, Bob. Pwede po mauna na. Goodbye. Pati mga
Bunot ka
classmates
ngayon,
ko-
Annalyn eh. Oo, bunot ka eh.
Si Jello na.
Jen, ito na. Jen.
Parang no.
Yeah! Kinikilig na yung mga nandito sa press area. Jella, go.
Same kami ni Ayan na parang more leaning more sa mga good boy looking. Or clean. Ay, hindi naman so dirty looking ang
Ganito ba?
mga boys. Pero like, yung, neat looking pala. Yan. Parang,
Gaya Nino.
yeah.
Yeah!
Joke lang.
Soft launch, charot. Next question is for Jello. This is your acting debut. Can you share with us how is your experience? So kinikilig itong mga nasa likod ko. Kaya talaga. Jello, how's your acting experience so far?
Masasabi ko sa first acting experience ko, roller coaster of emotions. Kumbaga, share ko lang, dito ko lang na-experience yung kumbaga nag-internalize ka during set, di ba? Tapos parang dala mo yung storya, damdaman mo. Parang first time ko na-experience yung nauwi ko siya. Tapos patulog na, tapos bigla ako nagwala. Parang ganung level. Pero para sa akin, yung acting experience na to, sobrang masasabi ko na ang sarap rin yung outlet para sa mga emosyon. Kumbaga, kung paano mo rin laluin yung gusto mong malaro or mapakita sa screen, parang ang sayang mag-work. Yeah, and parang isa tong project na tong For Bad Boys and Me para masabi ko, okay, gusto ko ituloy itong pagiging actor.
Nagamit mo ba yung mga BGYO skills mo dito?
Ewan ko, pero feeling ko in a way sa facial expression siguro. Ako nagpe-perform. Pero aside from that, siguro yung kung paano mag-internalize, kung paano mga artehin.
Okay. Ay, para daw fair, i-reverse naman daw natin. Yung guys, do you find, ano ba, suplada girls or mean girl or medyo, ano ba, ibang opposite ng mean girl?
Pag-girl.
Pag-good girl.
Pag-girl daw.
Pag-girl! Kaloka.
Bading talaga siya.
Okay. Dustin, what kind of, ano ba, girl?
Ayun po, soft girl.
Gano'n ka soft?
Soft. Softer.
Fabric condition.
Hindi. Kasi soft ng Candy Cloud or fabric conditioner?
Marshmallow.
Meron ka bang pet kung sino yan?
Wala pa po akong pero malay ko natin.
Okay.
Manual.
Jello, ikaw.
Kasi hindi ka marunong mag-manual.
Siguro yung soft din po. Kumbaga, kung sakali mang bad girl yung kung paano siya outside, yung same kay Crystal, kumbaga, sa akin lang good.
Okay. Brad?
Sa akin po, syempre, bad girl. Kasi pag bad girl, mas may thrill eh. Parang, it will never get boring.
Oh, may mga nag-oo dito. Harvey, ikaw.
Ako, siguro hindi naman yung suplada, pero mas risk taker. Kumbaga parang pag may gusto siya, she's really gonna take action to make it happen talaga. Tapos yung tipong gagawin niya yung mga alam yung dapat di niya dapat gawin. Pero nandun yung thrill. Parang yung sinabi ni Brent. Tawa. Pero gets making sense. Parang ganun na parang,
Kumbaga may pagka-adventurous side.
yeah,
diba?
parang when pag nagpipitch siya sa'yo ng idea at first parang, tapos biglang,
Sige nga.
parang ganun na
Someone who loves the thrill,
Yeah.
diba? River, yeah.
Ako, dun tayo sa good girl.
Okay, gusto mo si Jenna na good girl.
Hindi lang maganda sa labas, pero sa puso lang.
Nag-aaral ng men's school. Yeah!
Birthday niya ngayon.
Yeah! Thank you, River. Thank you, guys. Okay. Alan Sancon of Stars Photog will ask the next set of questions. This, you wanna go next?
Ay, hindi. Bad boy.
Okay. Bad boy daw si Alan.
Hello,
everyone.
Congratulations to your new movie dito. Yung first question ko for Brent, yan. Alam ko it was shoot before you enter BBT House, di ba? So, would you think ito yung parang sa palagay mo yung mga fans mo will support this because you are part of BBT? Sabi nga, mas nakilala ka, di ba? Do you think mas papanoorin nila because you are the big winner of BBT?
Siyempre, it comes along with it naman. Yung supporters po kasi talaga, grabe, kahit anong gawin mo, 100% ibibigay din talaga yung suporta nila. So, I would say yes po. Pero more than that, grabe din po talaga yung suporta nitong one-man book na to eh. So, yun, tulong-tulong na lang po siguro sila, kaya it's very exciting.
Thank you, Brent. Yung second question ko for River. River, alam namin nag-trending yung gray pants mo inside PBB House, di ba? Dito, mas marami bang mga gray pants that you're wearing?
Bad boy na si Alan.
Bad boy ba yun?
Sinunog ko na po yung gray pants na yun. Kaya naka-black pants na ako ngayon. Pero hindi, less gray pants na po. Mas dark colors po yun.
May nagre-request dito more daw, sabi nila.
Hindi sila
Yung nagsasabi sa gate. Yeah, so congratulations everyone to your
Thank you, Alan. Maraming salamat. Pasa mo na yung next question kay Bix.
Bix.
Of Bix Buzz and Abante.
Grabe ka na, Bin.
Ito, for Jello. Okay? Sa energy.
Hi, Jello.
Hello? yakot to.
Kung may isang kanta yung BGY o na parang, ano ba ito mo?
Gusto mong kantahin ka?
Gusto mo kantahin kay Angie, ano ito at bakit?
Oh.
Feeling ko all these ladies.
Sample.
Sample! With the
Ay, ginawa niyo sa TikTok, di ba? Dustin, ginawa niyo yun?
O, sabayan niyo ako.
Ayan! RV, ginawa niyo yun. Nakita ko, River, ginawa niyo yun.
Yes, with the steps.
Feeling ko all these ladies kasi yung song na yun is about honoring women. The women deserve to be celebrated, to be parang i-treat na queen. And I think perfect si Angie para kantahan ng gano'n. So, magsayaw pa. May grupo pa. Marami kaming content about dyan, kaya abangan.
Wow, yes. Pero para sa mga boys, paano kayo magpapilit ng babae?
So we asked that for Brent, River, Dustin, and Shallow. And Harvey.
Yeah. Kay River muna.
Paano magpakilig? Paano ba? Siguro depende talaga sa... Depende talaga sa person. Pero para sa akin, yung love language ko talaga is time and acts of service. And siguro doon na ako nag-focus sa pwede kong bigyan sa kanya.
No, River, you're right. Because you cannot say that nakakakilig yung ginawa mo. The only person who will say na nakakakilig yun is the receiver, right? So tama ang question na lang is, ano yung love language mo na para kinikilig yung receiver? So ano ulit yung love language ni River? Acts of service and?
Acts of service and quality time.
Quality time. So may quality time na ngayon.
Meron naman po.
Yes! Arvika, what's your love language?
Siguro tama po kasi yung sinabi ninyo eh, di ba? Wala naman pong iisang explanation or reason kung ano po yung nakakakilig. Kumbaga, I think for me, you just need to listen to your partner. Everyone has different needs, everyone has different wants. And sabihin natin yung nakakakilig sa akin, bakit hindi nakakakilig sa kanya? Or something that I would find cute that I could do for her, maybe it isn't that cute sa kanya or nakakilig sa kanya. So I think it's all about listening to your partner, knowing how they want to be seen and valued and taken care of and loved.
So ano ang love language mo?
Love
Acts of
language
service,
ko,
gifts,
it's quality time and I would say quality time and physical touch.
Physical touch.
Yeah.
So she needs to be next to you lagi.
Yes.
Wow. Alright. Brent, ikaw, what's your love language?
I realized more than the grand gestures, kasi minsan from time to time kailangan din talaga yun. Pero it's really about the small things. As long as it's genuine, totoo talaga yung pinapakita mo, yung magbigay ka lang ng konting assurance na everyday na siya pa rin talaga yung gusto mo or siya pa rin yung mahal mo. I think yun talaga.
So words of affirmation kay Brent. Jello, ikaw.
Well, ako yung type siguro na kapag gusto ko yung tao, ako yung nagsusulat ng handwritten letters, parang mga mga playlist, ganyan. Siguro, kaya ko rin pagluto kung gusto ko. Pero, feeling ko ngayon, ang love language na usually nabibigay ko is paramdam ko na I'm consistent and quality time tsaka service siguro.
Dustin, ikaw.
Ayun po. Ano yun?
Anong love language ni Dustin? Is it words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, physical touch?
Acts of service po. And guys, kasi pag pakilig, tonti kasi ako, aminin ko na dito.
Oo.
Hindi, ayun po, acts of service talaga and words of affirmation.
Right. Para ma-assure. Bits? I'm satisfied. You're satisfied. Hindi naman. Salamat. Iyak naman kami, baka hindi ka masatisfied. Thank you, Bits. Hannah Malorca is here from Inquirer. Hannah, are you still here? Wala na si Hannah. Ako na lang mag-read ng question niya. For our author, si Christina. how do you ensure that the film adaptation will remain faithful to its core? And what were your contributions in making sure that your story will be done justice?
Thankful po ako sa ABS-CBN kasi talagang nag-brainstorm kami with the team and ginasila ko ng mga favorite scenes, important scenes na dapat nasa movie. So, kasi before, meron din akong mga nagawa, hindi nila ako sinama.
Oh!
Yung mga before. Pero ngayon, ayun, kaya thankful ako sa ABS kasi talagang in-involve nila ako dito. Si Direk din nagtatanong. Actually, yung pinasa ni Direk yung book eh. Yung whole book para lang nandito sa movie. So, yan, kaya thankful po.
May mga binago ba kayo direct sa sinulat ni Miss Tina that you had to adjust?
It's more of compressed eh. Pero we try to keep all the important scenes. Kaya tinatanong namin ano yung mga iconic scenes na gusto mong ano. Kasi sa book may mga ganun eh. May yung mga fans meron silang mga favorite na scenes, dialogue, situations. So yun yung nandoon sa pelikula.
Kasi yun yung minahal nila nung binasa nila eh. And sometimes, the limitation is, when you're writing a story, it's limitless. You're not thinking of production costs or, you know, yung parang set design. So, challenge talaga, Direct Benedict, di ba? If you're executing it from...
Pero, in fairness, yung malalaking eksena yung ginagawa namin lahat ng malalaking eksena na nandun sa book. Kaya happy naman ako.
Totoo bang sinut nyo to last October pa? October of last year? September! Ang tagal na! Tumanda na lahat. Baka ang total, mas bata kayo dun sa ano. Si Don ang next magtatanong to be followed by Naz. So we go to Don first.
Okay, magandang hapon.
Gabi na po.
Ay, gabi na pala. Sundin ko na lang yung title. Para sa For Bad Boys. Pwede mag-share naman is mo anong pinaka-bad thing na nagawa.
To who?
Sila ba? I mean, bahala sila kung anong gusto nilang i-share.
The baddest thing you've done.
Yes.
Kahit kanina nyo ginawa. Who wants to go first? Parang si Dusty.
Yung pwede na i-share na hindi kami masyashock.
Ay, legally. Legally po kasi.
For Love nga daw ay bumubulong dito sa table na to.
For Love.
Itago natin sa pangalang Bobby at Cristina.
Ayan, si Bobby na nag-follow up ng For Love.
For Love daw, the baddest thing you've done for love.
Done for love.
Oh, yun nga, parang gano'n.
Siguro,
Pati abad.
disobeying parents just to see my girlfriend. Maybe. I think. For love. That's for love. Yeah.
Pero pa isa
Gusto may mga side comment dito sa table na to. Sa POV daw ng parents, bad yun.
Pero sa POV mo raw.
It's love.
Yes.
Oh, diba?
And like this is, I think.
And it's relatable.
Yeah,
It's not
I
just
think I'm sure everyone here is sort of done that one way.
River, ikaw ang meron ka bang ginawa?
Ikaw,
Baddest thing?
parang ikaw ang...
Baddest thing for love. Ano ba? Nagawa na ba ako?
Tanong natin sa...
Baddest thing for love. Siguro hardest thing or not baddest thing naman. Siguro
Okay, sige.
siguro the whole PBB journey. Siguro that that was a sacrifice, right, for me to be able to go inside the house for 4 months. No communication, walang...
Hindi nabigyan ng chance. Tinuro ko pa yun. Hindi nabigyan ng chance na kausapin ka while you're inside the house.
Wala talaga.
Wala. Oh my
For 4
God.
months.
That's painful.
Yeah, pero nagpaalam ka ba?
Siyempre naman, we talked before. And
Saan yung ginawa mo? Nag-billion ka to send flowers? Tama.
yes, kasi monthly namin yung every 12th of the month. So that was my only way of communicating to her. And I said, there's an app kasi sa phone na you can send future messages. So habang nasa outside world pa ako, I send future messages to her para makuha niya while I'm
Uy,
inside.
saan yan? Anong app yan?
Co-star yung
Yung
pangalan.
badges ang question, pero ang good pa rin ang answer.
So siguro that was, not the baddest, but then the hardest.
the hardest.
And not just me naman, pero it took two sides rin for that to happen. So, blessed rin.
Any reaction? Ayan. Any reaction sa sinabi?
Wala
na?
daw.
Wala naman.
O yung iba, the
Ayan.
baddest thing you've done for love. Jello.
Ako sobrang usual lang ito. I feel like lahat kami na-experience. So, kumbaga yung kakayanin mong mag-take ng risk na at the same time sa sobrang busy, like masasacrifice mo talaga yung pahinga mo, yung mga iba't ibang mga schedules, pero nakakayanan pa rin iparamdam kung ano yung dapat ko.
Not naman tumakas ng work.
Hindi naman po. Kung ano yung level.
Dustin.
Ito muna pa siyang
Ako for love po. Wala pa po kasi akong experience kaya ngayon nahihirapan po akong sumagot. Nag-iisip po ako talaga kung ano yung baddest thing. Ayun po, wala po. Wala po.
si Brent. Si Brent na rin.
Ako siguro, ano ba, baddest? Parang same din with Harvin, Jelen, na parang sometimes you forget to prioritize yourself just so you could put this person first. Parang ganun, yung parang nakakalimutan mo or minsan nauubos ka na para lang mapuno mo yung pagmamahal na meron ka para sa tao.
Kung ganun nauubos ka na. Wow. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Don. Salamat. Naz, you're next.
Hello po. Ang follow-up kay Christina sa question ko na, ano po yung reaction niyo naman sa casting ng For Bad Boys?
Ako po, happy ako kasi kasama po ko dun sa audition. So, nakita ko rin yung acting nila. Tapos kasi meron parang mga scene na pinag-preparing. So, ako rin po kinikilig. So, yun po. I'm proud of them. And I'm praying na marami pa silang maging project kasi ang fresh ng mga faces, ang ganda ng mukha. Ayun. So, hoping ako na marami pa silang maging project after this.
Kay Angie naman, ito na kasi parang pinaka-malaki ng project ko kasi dito. So ano yung, can you take us back nung nalaman mo na ikaw yung nasa project? Anong reaction mo?
First of all, never kong in-expect kasi ang daming pinagawa sa akin. Pinasendan pa ako nila ng video. Yung pinagawa sa akin, oh, gawin mo tong scene na to, mag-video ka, send mo sa amin. And then pinapunta ako sa saan pa kayo, sa DTC na, na building. So, 3 beses kami nag-audition. First of all, who would have thought? Tapos, di ko talaga in-expect na mapunta to sa akin. And ang bait talaga ni Lord. At saka, doon ko talaga na-realize din na dapat maniwala tayo sa perfect timing. Like, everything happens for a reason. If it's meant for you, it's meant for you. It will not pass you, and it will not pass your timeline. Because it's yours. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Ay, Naz. Okay, thank you, Naz. Maraming salamat. We go now to Janrel Cedro of Kapamilya On Demand. Janrel, are you here? Janrel? Ayun sa kabila. Excuse me? Ikaw na. Dito ka na. Sayang yung skirt mo.
Sasabihin sa'yo ni
You forgot your question? Sige. Ako na lang. This is for Angie. Bilang si Candice, ano ang pinakagusto mo sa kanya character at ano ang pinakamahirap na parte sa pagganap sa kanya?
Sa akin, ang pinakagusto kong character or characteristic sorry, nabubulol ako. Ang pinakagusto kong characteristic sa kanya is hindi siya takot magmahal. Kasi kahit na, alam mo, parang pinuksa na siya ng lahat. Parang everybody despise her, everybody like bullies her. She's not afraid to give love to everyone. That's why I love this characteristic sa kanya. Tsaka yung pinakamahirap siguro ay, syempre, as a learning in progress, mahirap talaga sa akin yung acting because this is not my talent. And like, kaya nga sabi ni Direk Benny, thank you kay Direk kasi pina-assignment niya talaga sa amin talaga na, oh, ikaw binubuli ka, low yung confidence mo, dapat ganito ka, ganyan. So it helps, parang na-embody mo din yung yung pagiging na, parang, ang sakit na, ba't ganyan? Ba't ganyan yung trato sa akin ng mga tao? Wala naman akong ginawang masama. And I just wanted to share love. Tapos parang, kaya doon ako na, parang na-attach din ako kay Candace. Tsaka, when I talk about her, I get emotional. I don't know why. Because she's just full of love. And I know if totoong tao si Candace, thank you to Miss Tina for writing her because she's such an inspiration sa amin. Especially nung grade 9 ako kasi that's when I started reading The 4 Bad Boys and Me. It's just, it just show na parang, wow, how beautiful the world will be if we look at each other eye to eye where there is compassion. So ayun, kaya ko love na love ko si Candace.
They wanted to clarify here because yung sinishare mo now, Angie, is it coming from a personal experience that you were bullied before?
I mean, I got bullied, yes. Even now online, like, I would talk about it. Even now online, like, it's there and it's real. And the book, it shows na dapat nag-show tayo ng compassion sa lahat. Dapat nag-show tayo ng love sa lahat. Kasi hindi lahat deserve yung hate. And everybody deserves to be loved, deserves to be respected. And bullying is a no. So, to all of the bullies out there, I hope that you would find love. Kasi deserve mo din yun. And, I think the bullies need love the most. Because if wala yun, parang I've been there, pero nakakapagod kasi mag-hate. Baka ma-drain kayo. So, I pray to God that He will, bless you with love, with kindness in your heart, and whatever is missing, He will bless it to you. So, ayun.
Alright, thanks, Angie. Ang next question ni Janrel is for the boys. Sa inyong character bilang isa sa mga bad boys, ano ang pinaka nagustuhan nyo sa ugali niya at ano naman ang gusto nyong baguhin? What did you like about your character, Charles?
What I like about Charles is his protectiveness over si Candace and his friends. He stands up for anyone that tries to bully them or mess with them. At yung yung gusto kong baguhin siguro kay Charles ay yung palaway kasi si Charles. So siguro I tell him to tone down and there's no need to fight all the time.
Si Marky.
With Marky naman po, siguro not really something na sorry, what was the question? Something na I like about the character? Is that the question po? Gusto kong baguhin. Oh, siguro siguro just make him a little bit more bad boy. I think kasi yung pagka-bad boy ni Marky dito in this adaptation specifically is he's in a bit manipulative. He, like I said, gambler siya. He likes to play with fate. And there's so many moments in this film. Siguro kaya siya bad boy. He's a bad boy in that way na even though intentional or not, he ends up manipulating a situation to something that he wants it to turn into. Siguro what I would change is siguro dial down on the medyo cunning, scarily manipulative side and more mas Troy, na mas physically na makulit talaga na annoying halos siguro po. I'd make him more of a lightning in a bottle type of character maybe.
Troy.
Ayun, sa akin po, actually, I love Troy Mendoza. Kasi, sobrang minalaga yung character na yun kasi doon ko na-feel yung sarili ko.
Okay. Parang nakita mo yung sarili mo sa kanya.
Doon ko po na yun. Then, doon ko po nakita yung sarili ko na, ay, nagagawa ko po yung gusto ko. And nagawa ko pong maging makulit sa mga task ko na kasama dahil kay Troy. Nawala yung pagiging mahayaan ko. And gusto kong baguhin kay Troy siguro yung, niya, sa mga decisions niya. Kasi laging, ang gulo ng utak ni Troy kung tutuusin niya. Sobrang gulo. So, ayun po yung ko. So, maging firm lang siya sa decision niya.
Jaden.
Ako, saludo ako kay Jadon sa pagiging malakas niya. Tsaka kung paano niya i-present yung sarili niya na strong kahit marami na siya napagdaanan. And yung pinaka gusto kong baguhin siguro sa kanya, parang wala eh. Pero kung meron man, siguro mas maging sensitive lang sa mga tao sa paligid niya. Parang kay Candice.
Be more sensitive. Okay, that's it. Meron bang gustong kumabol at gustong magtanong? Mikey, ano natanong ka pa ba? Hindi na? You're good? Thank you everybody for all your questions. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy ba kayo doon? Answering ulit, no? Ganun lang ako, masaya lang naman tayo, di ba? Kulitan lang. When can we watch The Four Bad Boys and Me? Go ahead.
Okay guys, mga kapamilya, mapapanood nyo na po ang The Four Bad Boys and Me sa ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel sa July 31 na po yan.
Yeah, welcome to the baddest school year this 2025. At syempre makakasama rin po namin River Joseph, Angie Salvacion, Jello Rivera, Dustin Mayores, Crystal Bremner, Brent Manalo, Annalyn Salvador, Jello Alote, and unfortunately she couldn't be here tonight, but AC Bonifacio is also with us. And yeah, welcome to the baddest school year this 2025.
Baka tinutokso ka doon sa face mo. Ginagalang ka, Harvey. Go ahead. River?
Yes, I hope all of you can support The Four Bad Boys and Me out on July 31 on ABS-CBN Entertainment YouTube channel.
Nice. Ange!
Hello po sa mga ka-maidens out there and sa mga fans po ni Miss Tina Lata, to my sunshines, to every fandom who's like watching and excited to watch. Panoorin niyo na po ito, malapit na po. The nostalgia of high school, the love, the fun, the kilig, and of course, the learnings here is amazing, and we can't wait to see you din po, and we can't wait to share it to you this July 31 on ABS-CBN YouTube channel.
Thank you, Angie. Tignan yung itsura nyo dito, babata nyo pa, oh. Parang obvious talaga na last year pa siya nakunan, last year pa siya tinaping. But before we go, we have a surprise for our birthday girl! Yeah! Happy birthday! Parang special delivery. Happy birthday to you! Pwede kayo magsabay-sabay? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Uy, huwag kayong mag-request lang. Thank you everybody! Let's have a group photo. Here's the gitna. Let's invite Direk Benedict also and Christina to join us. Huwag na!
Kiss daw kay Vic.
Thanks, talaga naman.
Hindi ako
Okay na pa, kasi si Miss Nina talaga sa baba. Let's have the girls sa baba. Let's have the girls sa baba. Girl kayo. Ayan, baka tinaakan si Miss Nina. Ayan, perfect. Alright, exit muna boys. Let's have a version with the girls lang muna. With Miss Tina. Ayan, alright. Okay, thank you, Miss Tina. Pa-escort natin si Miss Tina. Let's have the girls muna. Miss Tina, let's go. Ayan. Let's have the girls. Alright. Let's have the girls. this time? Direct Benedict, join ka muna doon with the boys. Parang may height requirement ba sa show na to? Dapat matatangkad lahat.
Compress daw po, sabi niya.
To your left, to your left. And then center, look at the center. And then look at your right. Then look at Diggs. Thank you, Direct Benedict. Let's have the boys.
Official. Dito po sa official.
Tutok na tutok ang camera.
Sa official.
To your left, look at your left. Center. And then to your right.
Pini Casabio daw po.
Girls, join again, please. Join them. Angie, go to the center. Last na po ito. This is the last. Last group cast photo. The next, the birthday. Hindi, joke lang. And can we invite Miss Elaine to join in the photo op, please? Our head ng new business and digital services and the YouTube team. Patty, Joy.
Sa'yo to?
With Elaine muna. Si Elaine muna. Tapos we'll ask the YouTube team to join. There. Alright, guys. YouTube team, go ahead, join please. YouTube team, iba na kayo? Marami ginagawa. Yan, yan ang ating YouTube team.
Mag-offload. Offload na. Report mo na. Sabi mo, wag na.